What's up, all you linear friction welding fanatics? Frank here. Today's topic is discussing welding copper to brass, and this came from one of our viewers who is in the plumbing markets, asking if we could weld these two dissimilar materials using linear friction welding, creating a intermetallic bond that's strong enough to be used in some type of production parts. We also wanted to show you how simple it is to run a 30-ton linear friction welder, and see the size and footprint of this system is very small, cost effective, giving you a return on your investment. So take it away from here, Kevin. Give it a shot.
So here you see, first step is loading the tooling on the right side and the left side. From there we turn our hydraulic pump on, lock both sides, run the machine in, make sure that it is properly seated, switch to auto mode, and from there we are ready to run a good weld. So now next up we're going to show you guys the slow motion footage from that exact same weld. You can see a lot of upset going on in this material, which is what we want in order to form that inner metallic bond.
We were able to weld these two pieces together. Two pictures to quickly show you. Picture one shows the finished part of copper to brass, and you can see the flash that we produced. Picture two is a microsection of the copper and brass. You can see the mixing of the two materials, creating a solid state bond that's strong enough to be used in production parts. So listen, send me an email, give me a call, let's talk about linear friction welding. It's a great process, very simple to use as you can see. Let's discuss it. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you next time. Bye.